Hey guys, real quick before I get this video started, I forgot I wanted to make an intro to this. So in this first part video, what you're going to see is the process of hanging plastic, putting it in an oven, and then laying on the embossed face machine. It actually raises a platform and lowers it. So what you're going to see is that whole process up until the point of lowering it down to show it. So this will be a part one video. Part two will be, you know, the faces, because they're clear plastic. They'll be painted and then they'll be assembled, and part two will probably be the rest of the process of just finishing up the cabinet. It's a Dairy Queen face for this particular one. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification again, guys. And as always, thanks for watching my videos. Appreciate it. All right, so we got this large face here. This is clear. It's going to be pressed onto that Dairy Queen. So what they're going to do is they're going to connect it to this hanger up there. You can see that right here. And then they're going to slide it in here. Sits in there for about 10-15 minutes at 350 degrees. So I'll pause. They're going to have to fucking muscle it up there. So you'll have these guys lift it up, and they got to clamp it into there. No, not yet. They're going to slide it in there. Yeah, they're going to have to really reach up there for this. It's a short sheet for that Dairy Queen face. Tony's done it a gazillion times, though. There you go. Just hangs it up there, push it up, locks in. Just like a friction, it's a friction mount type setup. And they just slowly straighten it out. You got talcum powder on here too, so. He's just dabbing on the talcum powder. So he's putting on the powder. He'll put the powder on the whole way, and then it's almost at 350. You can see the face there. It's a Dairy Queen embossed face. I'm not really sure on the dimensions of this machine. I want to say it's like 12 or 14 by 18 or something like that. While he's finishing up that on that press, this is a very large vacuum forming press here. Now I don't know the full length of this, but it's like 30 something feet long, and I think it's over 15 feet deep. So very large vacuum form faces. He's just pouncing talcum powder on both sides of this. That's what you got to do. And he's going to open the door, slide it in, warm it up about 10-15 minutes, and then work fast, pull it out, lay it down over there. You'll see it raise up, down, or just down. I think it just goes down. Just a quick look around. Very large, full service fabrication sign shop. Been around over 100 years. Paint booths, everything's back there. But this video is just about this Dairy Queen face. So I think the temp's at 340, puts it on. Now they're going to go ahead and slide it in. Just like that. Fine, Steve. Locks it up. Now, like you said, 10-15 minutes. They got to go fast, because when that door is open, it lets out a lot of heat really fast. So you can see it dropped down to 300 just now. So you got to close it. It's got to get back up to 340. So I'll stop that and come back, follow up when it's done. All right, so he's taking it out now. He just slides it out. Got a few guys in here. It's really hot. You can see how flimsy it is. It's like paper. They're just going to grab it. It's going to swing down. That's what the powder's for. I got to get it in there over that mold. And it goes up. That's what the powder's for, in case you guys didn't know that. So you can just get it up there. Yeah, it's hot. So it raises all the way up, and then it molds it, presses it right on the reverse mold. And that's a Dairy Queen face. This is a smaller one. Let's say maybe 10 foot. Steve, what size was that Dairy Queen? You know, 10 foot? Not even? What was the length of that Dairy Queen? It was 10, yeah. Now it's released in the air. And it's going to start to drop. So it's releasing it. Now the pressure comes down and it starts to drop. Taking a quick look at it, Casey's got to put it back up, but it's a one chance to get these done, pretty much. If you don't get the right press on it, you got to start off with a new sheet. The idea how big this is. That's a 10-foot wide long face. You look up, you see the reverse mold up there, and then you got the mold down here. Comes out hot, lays flat, presses it.